Hello there, I'm Josh from Motor Match Bolton, and today I'll be showing you around this used car for sale. This is the Toyota CHR Excel. It's equipped with a 1.8 litre self-charging petrol hybrid engine and automatic transmission. You've got a sleek grey exterior with red side inserts and a rear spoiler for a more sporty looking outer design. The vehicle is equipped with LED daytime running lights as well as LED rear lights for great visibility on the road. And it sits on these nice and stylish 18-inch Excel design alloy wheels. The CHR is equipped with a nice and practical boot space with plenty of room for any daily storage requirements you might have. Inside's furnished with a nice and luxurious leather upholstery. As we head into the front of the cabin, you'll see there's plenty of legroom for both driver and passenger, with the driver having access to a multifunction steering wheel. On the left side you'll find volume and channel options, while the right allows for controls of your digital driver display. If you look just behind the wheel you will find your cruise control and keyless ignition. From your central touchscreen you can access your various audio sources including DAB radio as well as Bluetooth pairing. Built-in navigation is on offer and manoeuvring is made nice and simple via a rear camera system. Just below you'll find your climate control setup. It is accompanied by toggles for heated front seats for that extra layer of comfort to the cabin. You've then got a nice amount of central storage options. Thank you for your interest in this Toyota CHR Excel, available now from Motor Match Bolton. For more information please contact a member of the sales team.